how to fix a smoke detector blinking green light in 2026. So as it can be seen over here, the green light is going to look something like this. So if your smoke detector is blinking the green light like this one, it doesn't always mean that there is a problem. So in this guide, we are going to learn what the green light actually means on different detectors and when you should actually worry about it. Now, on many of the smoke detector models, if you see this type of solid green light, it simply means that the AC power is connected. If you see the slow blinking green light, it means that the normal standby mode is activated. The fast blinking green light means pairing memory event or temporary alert state. So the exact meaning depends on the brand and the model. So you need to first of all identify it. Now, a blinking green light often appears after the power outages, sometimes after the battery replacement or breaker resets. So some of the alarms continue blinking until the system fully resets itself. So in order to basically fix it, you just have to simply perform a full reset. For that, simply remove the detector from its mount. If it has a battery, simply remove the battery, disconnect the AC power if hardwired, and hold the test button for about 15 seconds. Then reconnect the power and reinstall the battery. This is going to clear the stored alert memory on many of the models. Now in the hardwire homes, once detector can trigger the blinking behavior across all the connected units. So you need to simply look for another alarm nearby showing you either the red flashing light or chirping or fault warning. The green blink may simply indicate the network communication. So you can try these easy steps and these are going to help you identify whether the smoke detector is working normally or whether it needs a replacement. Thank you.